Introduction. Being in practice for over 20 years as a light worker, healer, teacher, life soul, and spiritual advisor and channel, I have had the profound privilege of preparing souls to awaken to their true higher selves in preparation for the shift to fourth and fifth dimensional living. The preparation is both personal and for the benefit of society as well. I am humbled by this mission at this time on planet Earth, as I have been waiting and preparing for it for many lifetimes. 1,100 to my knowledge. I am the facilitator for Source through the Teachers of Light, Archangel Metatron,